According to international law, nationality can be acquired by birth, descent, or naturalization. 1. Birth. A person can acquire nationality by being born in a state's territory, jus soli, or by being born to a citizen of that state, jus sanguinis. 2. Descent. A person can acquire nationality through a family member who is already a citizen of that state. This can include adoption, legitimation, or marriage. And 3. Naturalization. A person can acquire nationality by meeting certain requirements set by the state, such as living in the state for a period of time. Naturalization can also be automatic in some cases. Explanation. Nationality is a legal status that represents a person's connection to a state. It gives a person the right to protection from that state, and also subjects them to the laws of that state. Each state has its own citizenship laws that determine how nationality is acquired. For example, the United States applies jus soli, while the United Kingdom applies jus soli in some cases, and jus sanguinis in other cases. According to international law, a person can lose their nationality through various means, primarily through voluntary renunciation, deprivation due to fraudulent acquisition or serious misconduct, prolonged residence abroad, or automatically upon acquiring another nationality, depending on the specific laws of the country involved. However, international law prohibits arbitrary or discriminatory deprivation of nationality, particularly if it leads to statelessness. Key ways a person can lose their nationality. 1. Voluntary renunciation. A person can actively choose to give up their nationality by formally renouncing it, usually to acquire another citizenship. 2. Deprivation due to fraud or misrepresentation. If a person obtained their nationality through fraud or misrepresentation, the state can revoke it. 3. Serving a foreign military. Serving in the armed forces of another country can lead to the loss of nationality in some jurisdictions. 4. Long-term residence abroad. In certain cases, if a person resides outside their country of nationality for an extended period without maintaining ties, they might lose their nationality. And 5. Acquisition of another nationality. Depending on the laws of the country, acquiring another nationality can automatically result in the loss of the original one. Important considerations. 1. Statelessness prohibition. International law generally prohibits depriving someone of their nationality if it would render them stateless, meaning they would not be a citizen of any country. 2. Discrimination concerns. Depriving someone of their nationality based on discriminatory grounds like race, religion, or political opinion is not permissible under international law. And 3. Due process. When a state seeks to deprive a person of their nationality, it must follow proper legal procedures and provide due process. Relevant international instruments. The 1961 Convention on the Reduction of Statelessness. This convention sets out guidelines regarding the deprivation of nationality and aims to prevent statelessness.